Mr. Kellerman himself turning 70 years old in Iowa.
Happy birthday, Milo. Kelly Ortiz Rice is celebrating her 6th birthday. Kelly, I absolutely love those bows, kiddo. Have a marvelous birthday.
And I hope you had a great birthday yesterday in Moran, Kansas. Kason Botts is now 10 years old.
We've got a big number 11 for Braxton Church. All geared up, ready to play some ball right there. Braxton celebrates in Nevada.
All right. Hayden Buchanan turning 12 years old in Jasper, Missouri.
Dead-eye shot right there. Check that out. Missouri State Archery Competition.
Cool.
Jasper is, I'll tell you what, people don't know about that archery they have out in Jasper. Not only youth programs, goes all the way up to the high school. They are perennial powerhouses in the state of Missouri as far as archery goes, and Hayden's going to be the future of that program right there.
All right.
Ellie Parsons, now a teenager, celebrating her 13th birthday, and that means Lucy is celebrating her 13th birthday as well. Now, Ellie's on the left, that's Lucy on the right. But get this, technically they don't share the same birthday. That's right, they're twins. But Ellie was born June 2nd, and then Lucy arrived June 3rd.
No, love that. It's like
happy birthday to Ellie and Lou. Hey, Ellie, you know Ellie hangs that over her head as the older sister. You know she does. Lucy, you don't have to put up with that.
I get the best of both worlds there.
Happy birthday to the Parsons twins with love from Grandma and Grandpa.
Logan Newton turning 14 years old this year in Nevada. Happy birthday, Logan.
Got a 14th birthday as well for Kenna Ellison. That's a cool picture right there, Kenna. That's awesome. I love that. Little CJ Bulldog pride.
That is pretty cool. In Independence, turning 17 years old this year, it's time to celebrate for Aiden Rogers.
I like that t-shirt too. That's good. Alex Evans, happy 18th, my man. He's graduating from, well, he just graduated from Frontenac High School. Alex on his way to Labco in the fall. Go get him.
All right. Madison Derringer celebrating birthday number 19 this year in Arma, Kansas. Happy birthday coming from Mima.
Derek Manley putting the 3-0 on the board. Derek, a very happy birthday to you. Enjoy that family time. He's in Chanute.
And out in Parsons, Brett Hardy celebrating a 63rd birthday this week. And that's what a catch.
He's looking at probably his grandson. They're looking at his grandson going, kid, that's how you do it. That's how you do it. Mm-hmm. Nice catch there, Brett. Elaine Schlichting, she is celebrating her 65th birthday. Yeah. I guarantee she's more worried about spoiling somebody in her arms right there than her birthday. Happy birthday, and Elaine, congratulations as well to the new addition to the family. Elaine's in Lamar.
All right, and we've got Diana Knight turning 76 years old this year. Looking beautiful there, Diana, in Weir, Kansas.
Sherry Rattery's got a birthday in Frontenac, and I'm just being told that Sherry's going to go with 40-something. I'm going to steal that line, Sherry. I love that idea. We're just 40-something. She's out working in the garden. A very happy birthday to you, Miss Sherry.
All right, celebrating their 10th anniversary this year. It's Brock and Danielle Maddox. Congratulations out in Erie to the Maddoxes.
And in Galena, Michael and Carolyn Clyburn. They're celebrating 44 years. Congratulations to Michael and Carolyn.
All right, and Rick and Betty Watts are celebrating the big 5-0 this year. What a wonderful picture of the Wattses in Carthage. Congratulations on 50 years.
And it's 61 years for Frank and Carol Seifert. Congratulations to the Seiferts. That's quite an accomplishment right there. Frank and Carol, they are celebrating their anniversary in Cherryville.
All right, our birthday list goes on. Derek Wade celebrating a birthday in Columbus. Apparently that's where the party's at. Art Schmidt also celebrating in the bus.
There's Eddington's in the bus. I think that's where Chad's from. I'm not sure. I don't know why we don't have a picture of Chad either. We could get to the bottom of that one. Anyway, Chad, a belated birthday wish to you, my friend. Also in Columbus, Patty Robinson. Patty, very happy birthday. And once again, It is. It's a party in the bus. That's where Patty is as well. Happy birthday and happy anniversary to all. Whether you were celebrating on this June the 4th, perhaps tomorrow, June the 5th, or perhaps you're like the Parsons twins and you just split it into 2 days as well. Now here's Tanya Bach with a very important birthday announcement.
All right, you can be a part of the KOAM Birthday Club by going to our website and signing up. And once you do, you'll get special deals from local businesses. Go to KOAMnewsnow.com and sign up for the KOAM Birthday Club today.